Hi, I'm Yiannis Sakellarakis, Barber and Groom owner, and this is a tutorial for men's hair. Today, I'll show you what you should and shouldn't do when you have fine, thinning hair. Unfortunately, many men don't know that hair loss is caused by genetic reasons. This area at the back and the sides of the head is an area that isn't affected by hair loss. What about the hair on the top of the head? Unfortunately, the hair in these areas gradually gets thinner and eventually falls due to androgenetic alopecia. If your hair is just like Aki's, thinner on the top of the head, the best you could do when you visit your barber is to ask him to cut your hair shorter at the sides and the back of the head in order for the hair on the top to look thicker. I will start cutting Aki's hair in order to see how thicker his hair will look after cutting the hair the way I explained before. Cut the hair shorter at the sides and the back of the head in order for the hair on the top to look thicker. As you can see, I just finished cutting Aki's hair, and the hair on the top of the head is looking thicker and fuller by cutting the hair shorter at the sides and the back of the head. The last thing I will use to complete the look, in order to have fuller hair on the top of the head, is to use a unique product that will give natural, full, thick hair instantly. I will use two Kmax Milano products. The Kmax Milano series is specialized in fine, thin, and thinning hair. I will combine Kmax Milano Concealing Colour Spray and the Kmax Milano Concealing Hair Fibers, and you will see how thick and full Aki's hair will look. First of all, I will dry Aki's hair very well. As you can see, I dried Aki's hair very well, but we can still see the scalp through his fine hair. In order to cover it, I will combine two Kmax Milano series products. I will start by using the Concealing Colour Spray, and then I will use Kmax Milano Concealing Hair Fibers made of 100% natural keratin. I will begin with the first product, Concealing Colour Spray. I'll shake it very well before use, and I will start applying it from the hair on the front and will continue to the back of the head. I have finished applying Concealing Colour Spray, and I will slightly comb Aki's hair. You can already see the difference in Aki's hair just by using Concealing Colour Spray. For an even fuller result, I will use Kmax Milano Concealing Hair Fibers made of 100% natural keratin. I shake well before use, and then I start applying the fibers. Kmax Milano Hair Fibers is very easy to use because it blends and bonds perfectly with the hair due to the hair's natural static electricity. For the areas that need precision in application, I will use Kmax Milano Applicator. It gives me perfect control on the application of the fibers, in order to apply the fibers even on the finest areas, such as the hairline, for maximum precision. Then I start styling the hair slightly with my fingers in order to have the look I wish. For the finishing touch, I will use Kmax Milano fixing spray in order for the fibers to bond strongly on Aki's hair and give him a modern look. That's it. Aki's hair before and after. A truly amazing result. We started by cutting Aki's hair shorter at the sides and the back. We didn't cut the hair on the top of the head that much. Then we used Concealing Colour spray, and after that, we used Kmax Milano concealing hair fibers, made of 100% natural keratin. For the finishing touch, I used Kmax Milano fixing spray for extra hold and to give Akis a modern look. As you can see, Aki's thinning hair on the top of his head is gone the easiest possible way. Akis can use Kmax Milano products himself very easily and experience thicker, fuller hair instantly. No one will ever notice, no matter how close they get. A truly amazing result.